Kuki militants deployed long-range rockets among civilians in 2 locations of Bishnupur District, says Manipur Police. According to a release issued by the department yesterday late at night, it was stated that the situation in the state was tense but under control. Kuki militants have deployed long-range rockets among the civilian population in 2 locations of Bishnupur District, in one of which one senior citizen civilian, R.K. Rabai, 74 years, of Moirang, Piwangbom Laikai, expired, and 6 other civilians were injured in Moirang Khoiru Laikai, Bishnupur District. It added. Further, police teams of the Bishnupur District, including the SP, rushed to the area in where they were fired upon by suspected Kuki militants, but the police team retaliated robustly and repelled the attack. A military chopper has been deployed to conduct aerial patrolling. Senior officers of the police, including IGP and DIGP, are at the spot to take immediate countermeasures and supervise a volatile situation. High-level security meetings have been conducted to take stock of the law and order. Authorities are closely monitoring the situation, and the police are prepared to respond to any contingency that may arise. Movement of 115 and 153 vehicles along National Highway 37 and National Highway 2 with respectively essential items has been ensured. Strict security measures are taken up in all vulnerable locations, and a security convoy is provided in sensitive stretches in order to ensure free and safe movement of the vehicles.